No one talks about this, but almost every man over 50 knows that moment when the body goes quiet. The morning signal. Gone. It sounds small, but it's not, because that signal means your body is still working in sync. Blood flow, hormones, neural signaling. When it disappears, it's not just a bedroom issue, it's a system-wide warning. And here's what most men don't know. You don't need a pill. You don't need a patch. You don't need a prescription. What's helping thousands of men bring the morning back might be sitting in your kitchen. Certain oils, taken the right way right before bed. No gimmicks, no prescriptions. And many men are seeing changes in just 2 weeks. Let's break down the mechanism, because once you understand how it works, you'll never skip a night again.
Here's the real science behind it. Simple, powerful, and proven. Your body builds testosterone from fats. Not supplements, not powders, real healthy fats. And the peak time for hormone production? Not at the gym, not during a steak dinner. It's while you sleep, between 10 p.m. and 2 a.m., when your body runs its night shift for repair, recovery, and hormone reset. But most men go to bed empty, or worse, stuffed with carbs that spike insulin and block hormones. That's where these oils come in. When taken before sleep, they deliver exactly what your body needs right when it needs it most. Oils also absorb faster than protein or carbs. They bypass heavy digestion, go straight to the bloodstream, and reach your hormone-producing organs within minutes. And when you do this nightly at the same time, your body starts to expect it. It builds a rhythm. It responds better. That's when the real reset happens. This isn't magic. It's just basic biochemistry, timed right. Thousands of men are feeling the shift. You could too. Let's start with the one you probably already have. Extra virgin olive oil. This isn't just for salads. It's packed with monounsaturated fats like oleic acid, shown in studies to support testosterone, reduce inflammation, and improve blood vessel function. In one study, men who took just 2 tablespoons of olive oil daily saw a 17 to 19% boost in testosterone in just 3 weeks. No pills, no side effects, just real food timed right. Olive oil also helps keep your arteries soft and your blood moving. And remember, erections are a blood flow event. If your vessels are stiff or inflamed, it doesn't matter how much hormone you have, nothing's moving. But not all olive oils are created equal. You need extra virgin, cold-pressed, in a dark glass bottle. The cheap stuff, it's often cut with seed oils that kill the benefits. Start with 1 tablespoon, about 30 minutes before bed. You can drink it straight, mix it with lemon, or stir it into warm broth or protein shake. And here's your warning. Oil-based products break latex condoms. If you're using oils regularly, switch to non-latex or water-based protection. 1 tablespoon a night. That's your foundation, but we're just getting started.
This one gets people talking. Castor oil has a reputation, mostly as a laxative, but when used in tiny doses, it might do something much more interesting. Castor oil contains ricinoleic acid, a unique compound known to reduce inflammation in deep pelvic tissues. That matters because chronic inflammation is one of the hidden reasons blood flow to your lower body slows down as you age. Here's the theory. By calming inflammation in the pelvic region, castor oil may improve nerve signaling, blood movement, and even testosterone sensitivity in key glands. It doesn't create testosterone, but it might help your body use what you already have better. How to use it? Start small. Just half a teaspoon mixed into warm milk, bone broth, or ginger tea before bed. Never take it on an empty stomach. Never exceed 1 teaspoon per day. And here's where you need to be extra careful. Only use food-grade, cold-pressed, hexane-free castor oil. Never use the pharmacy kind. Never use topical products internally. And if you have liver issues, gallbladder problems, or a sensitive gut, skip this one entirely. Castor oil isn't for everyone, but for men dealing with pelvic inflammation, it could be the silent unlock they've been missing.
Pumpkin seed oil is a powerhouse, especially for men over 50. It's rich in zinc, magnesium, and phytosterols, all crucial for healthy testosterone levels and prostate support. Zinc isn't just a mineral, it's a key cofactor in testosterone production. Without enough zinc, your body can't make or maintain healthy hormone levels, and most men aren't getting nearly enough from diet alone. Pumpkin seed oil also supports prostate health, reducing symptoms like weak urine flow, urgency, and nighttime trips to the bathroom. And when the prostate is happy, the signal downstream, including your morning erection, gets stronger. Best way to take it? 1 to 2 teaspoons before bed. You can take it straight or mix it with Greek yogurt, oatmeal, or a bit of kefir. It's mild, nutty, and easy to digest. Stick to cold-pressed, organic, dark glass bottled oil. Store it in the fridge. It goes rancid fast. And if you're taking medications for the prostate or on blood thinners, ask your doctor before starting. Pumpkin seed oil doesn't just help testosterone, it supports the whole system that helps you wake up like you used to.
Coconut oil isn't just trendy. It's one of the most underrated tools for men's hormonal health. Rich in medium-chain triglycerides, also called MCTs, it provides fast fuel for the body and helps fix what aging disrupts. MCTs don't store as fat. They're burned quickly by the liver to support brain function, energy production, and metabolic health. That boost helps regulate blood sugar overnight, a key factor in keeping testosterone production on track. Coconut oil also has natural anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. That's good news for gut health, and since gut function is tied closely to hormone levels, anything that improves digestion can support better hormone signaling. How to use it? 1 teaspoon about 30 minutes before bed. Stir into tea, blend with warm almond milk, or take it straight. Start slow. Too much too fast can cause bloating or nausea. Only use virgin, cold-pressed coconut oil. Avoid refined or deodorized versions. They lose the benefits. And remember, this oil, like others, breaks latex. If you're sexually active and using condoms, switch to non-latex or water-based options. Coconut oil won't make you superhuman overnight, but it can clean the path for better sleep, cleaner hormone cycles, and stronger mornings.
Black seed oil has been used for centuries, but few realize how powerful it is for men's hormonal balance. Its secret weapon? A compound called thymoquinone, a natural antioxidant and anti-inflammatory that supports the endocrine system. Studies suggest that thymoquinone may protect Leydig cells, the tiny factories in your testes responsible for testosterone production. The more Leydig cells you preserve, the longer your body can make its own tea. Black seed oil also improves insulin sensitivity, lowers inflammation, and supports liver detox, all of which play a role in hormonal balance and blood flow. Dosage. Start with half a teaspoon at night. Mix with warm water, lemon, or a spoonful of honey. Stick to cold-pressed oil from Nigella sativa and keep it in a dark, cool place. Warning: it's strong. Too much can cause digestive upset. Avoid if you have bleeding disorders or are on blood thinners. Black seed oil isn't magic, but for the right man at the right dose, it can reignite a system that's been slowing for years.
So here's the deal. No oil on this list is a miracle, but for the right man with the right habits at the right time, these can help bring back something you thought was gone for good. We're talking real food, real timing, and real results if you stay consistent. Let's recap. Olive oil, for blood flow and hormone foundation. Castor oil, inflammation support, not for everyone. Pumpkin seed oil, zinc and prostate protection. Coconut oil, stabilizes blood sugar and fuels sleep. Black seed oil, boosts Leydig cells and hormone signals. Plus the 2 bonus oils you'll find in the pinned comment. But here's the warning. If you're on medication, have chronic conditions, or aren't sure how your body will react, talk to your doctor first. Always. Your move now? Pick one oil, just one. Take it for 7 nights straight. Same time, same dose, no skipping. Then come back and tell us what changed. Because the difference between nothing works and something's finally working might be just 1 tablespoon away.